guys, welcome back with another video. Finally, we have MIUI launcher ported for all aosp based custom ROMs. So let's get it started. And this is MIUI launcher. I'm using an Spark OS Android 12 ROM right now. So you guys can see the user interface. This is MIUI, and here is the MIUI gallery application. I already provided the video how you guys can install latest MIUI gallery application on aosp based custom ROM, so you guys can check description for this video. And now don't skip the video. If you skip, then you won't be able to use this MIUI launcher on your custom ROM. So let's get it started. First of all, I will just do a short review and then I will show you the installation process. So let's get it started. And this is the home screen, and along with MIUI launcher you guys will get Wallpaper Carousel. If you want to use this thing, you also able to use this one. Just connect your device to the internet and you will be able to use this feature. And here is the setting. If you want to enable Wallpaper Carousel, just turn this on. I don't need that, so that's why I'm not using. And here is the top list, and here is the discover, and here is the recommended. So if you want to download or install any wallpaper from here, just tap on that, and here is the button, download button. You guys can see, just click on that and it's downloading. Just look at the animation. Network very slow. I don't have enough time. I can't waste. So many things are there, and this is the way you guys can actually download. This is it. You guys can download wallpapers from Wallpaper Carousel. So this is its huge kind of collection. And now let's talk about launcher. Just do like this, and here is the widget section, and here is the wallpaper. But the wallpaper and widgets not working for Android 12 ROMs yet, but soon it will work. Just stay connected. But don't worry about Android 11 and Android 10. If you are using Android 10 and Android 11 custom ROMs, then if you easily can enjoy every single options, no other issues. But in Android 12 ROM you can use the other features, like it's working like buttery smooth. You guys can see here, no problem with that. And here is the category if you want to scroll by. So this is the way. And if you want to change the background, just go to dot and then change the background, just like dark, whatever you need, and you guys can do that. And app drawer background transparency, you guys can set this thing, and which is great. I like it. If you want 100%, then this enable this one. Now get back. This is the way, and this is the background. If you need auto, you can select light, dark, whatever you need. So after applying, you need to apply, then you guys can enjoy the feature. If you want your background transparent, then enable that thing. And then here is the setting. You guys can customize, don't show text working, and home screen layout, huge kind of layouts are there, but it doesn't work for Android 12. You can enjoy every customization on any Android 10 and Android 11 devices, no problem. And here is the more options, and here is the app vault and app drawer, just turned off. And I'm using here app drawer. You guys can use classic as well, no problem. And here's the global animation and arrange items. And arrange items is not working right now for Android 12, but everything is working on Android 11 and Android 10 devices. So if you are using any Android 11 custom ROM, so you are ready to go. But if you are using an Android 12, then you have to sacrifice some customizations. So this is it. and I don't think this is deal breaker. You guys can easily use, no problem. And here is the swipe up, just like this, and you can change the animation like this. So, and here is the transition effect. You guys can change transition effect like this, and those things are working without any problem, no issues with that. And now let's talk about the installation process, how you guys can install. So you guys need the Magisk module, and here is the module MIUI home. Just you guys need to flash this module through Magisk. So I already showed so many videos how you guys can flash, and here is the Magisk. Just go to module section and select install from storage. And remember one thing, if you don't flash MIUI core, you have to install MIUI core must. When you install MIUI gallery application, when you install MIUI home, any other options like gallery application, any applications from MIUI which is ported for aosp based ROM, you must need MIUI core. First flash latest MIUI core, then flash MIUI gallery or MIUI home, whatever you need, which module you want to install. Just install MIUI core first, then install MIUI home. I already provided installation process in MIUI gallery, so you guys can follow that video. Just check out the link in description. And then after installation process, if you want to really install, then after installation just go to setting. When you reboot, after reboot, go to setting and then type on search section, just type default home app to change the launcher. Just select like this. I have by default launcher here and system launcher. So typing default home app on search bar, just type here search bar default home app, just type that default home app, anyways you will get the permission controller. Then select system launcher and you will be shifted to MIUI launcher. This is the way you guys will be able to enable that MIUI launcher. So hope you guys understand the video, and I may be sick, so that's why I can talk like this properly. So thank you for watching.